back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Yeah, this is my first unboxing video ever in this entire channel history. Alright, so we're going to be unboxing a Pusheen box. So mine has arrived very late, which is really sad because it's not Halloween anymore. But it's fine since, I don't know why it's so late, but it's fine. I hope it's worth the wait. So you guys, if your Pusheen box hasn't arrived yet, it's really worth it. So just keep waiting. But if this box hasn't arrived yet for you guys, do not watch this. I warn you, because it's going to ruin the surprise. All right. So let's unbox it. All right. So moment of truth. Look at it. Even this part is really cute. No, to be honest, the covering was super duper cute too. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna put it down on my lap, and then I'm gonna take this stuff out. So first we have this cute little postcard. So this first is all the stuff that's inside. I don't want to look at it because, well, I don't want it to ruin the surprise for me. So you guys can look at it. And, well, there's also this cute side. Isn't it nice? And now, well, let's just put that aside. So the first thing I really want to take a look at is this big thing. So this is a sweatshirt. It's cute. I like it. Yeah, so I'm just going to put this aside, and I'm going to have to go wash it because I'm not sure it's that clean yet. Right, so the next thing I'm going to take a look at. Ooh, what is this? So these are pom-poms that I think you can hang around the wall like I did with this banner. So I think that's the same with this, except, it's smaller and cuter. I don't know if it's cuter, but. All right, so the next thing that we have in here is, these aren't earrings, right? Because I didn't pierce my ears, so. Yeah, these aren't earrings. These are pins. You can tell by the back. Yeah. So these are some adorable little pins of Pusheen as a ghost. So I'm going to put it here, but I'm going to do that later since I just wanted to look through everything in here. All right, so that was unsatisfying. So the next thing we have here is this Pusheen vinyl. What is that? Yeah. Well, it looks pretty cute. I'm thinking it could be a nightlight, but it doesn't appear to have any switch or anything, so I don't know. So I'm just going to put this back in. The next thing I will look at is, ooh, what is this? This is a LED candle. So it looks pretty good. There's a candle and there's a remote, so it's not a real candle in case your house might burn. So let's just gorgeous. So I'm just gonna take the candle out. Thank goodness it's not real, otherwise my hands would be smudged with candle. So look, the candle, it's actually plastic, but then there's a little Pusheen that says boo. And then there's this thing. This really emits something, so I'm gonna have to go put batteries in it. So I got the batteries. I put it in already. So I'm just going to take the remote out nicely that the remote does not need to. Ooh. So the remote does need to change batteries, except it came with batteries. So that's good. So now let's just give it a try. So this really emits a candle way because this thing is really tilty, which real fire actually moves around. See, it looks like real fire there, but it's actually a really thin piece. Does it look like I'm touching fire right now? Does it look weird? So yeah, you can, here, take a look at the remote. You can set it for a 2-hour timer, 4-hour timer, a 6-hour timer. You can turn it off and on. You can make it dim, or you can make it bright. You can make it look candle-like. I haven't tried this. So this is candle, and this is light. I have no idea what the difference is. There's no difference. So I'm just going to turn this off and put it back in the casing. Actually, I'm not going to put it back in the casing since I'm not going to Like, okay, you know, I have no point. But I'm definitely going to be keeping the boxes since I just love it. This is my first Pusheen box ever, so the wait was very long. So the next thing I'll be opening is this is second to last, I think. I don't know. So we have this Pusheen cup. I'm really excited for this since I need to drink a lot of milk to grow tall, and this will definitely motivate me to drink a lot of milk. It's not opening. Open. All right, got it. So here it is. Is this plastic or? Ooh, it makes a good echo. So is this plastic? Well, I don't want to test because if it's plastic, it won't break that easily. If it's glass, it will. But I am not taking that test. It's too precious to be able to take that test. So for now, I'm just going to put this back in since I don't want it to break. So seeing that they actually oh, wait, it's a glow in the dark. I just read so I'm assuming that the Pusheen is the glow in the dark part. So I'm going to go test that out. But yeah, I'm going to go test that out after I'm done with unboxing everything. So let's just put that back in. So I'm starting to think that it's actually glass, I think, because plastic, I don't think you really need to put casing around since you don't have to put casing over casing, right? Right. So the last thing we have right here. Ooh, wait, it's not the last thing? Oh, we have two more things. So this is the second to last, finally. So this is a cute little cap. Let me try putting it on. I don't know. Because I'm really hoping that it snows here since it barely snows here. But judging by every single day temperature, it's literally 9 degrees every single day now. So judging by that, okay, it looks weird. I don't know about this. I'm not good at this. Since I haven't been in snow a lot, except on trips, so I don't know. So let's just put this. Last but not least, I'm kidding, it's the last and the least. So we have these adorable little Pusheen socks. Aren't these so cute? Look how cute these are. Look how adorable it is. Alright, so that is all in here. And now let's roll the clip for testing out the glow-in-the-dark mug. Now let's just take the mug. Oh my god, it really is glow-in-the-dark. Look how epic this looks. Oh, and you're wondering what that is? That's our broken clock. Look how cute it is. It's just glowing. I love it. You should definitely subscribe to Pusheen Box. Parents who are watching this, subscribe to Pusheen Box to make your kids happy if they're Pusheen lovers because it's epic. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Alright, so, well, thank you very much for watching today's video. And, well, I'm excited for when the winter Pusheen box comes so I can do my second unboxing. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!